Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button, like, comment, and share.
Guys, I'm here today to
I really like what I see.
Classic American over-under shotgun. And it is new because 2 years ago we put that project on hiatus. What we wanted to do is employ today's modern technologies to build a better gun and take an opportunity to redesign some of the internal workings to make it a better performing shotgun. The Ruger Red Label is available in 12 gauge and it comes in 26, 28, and 30-inch barrel option. Beautiful matched steel blued barrels with a vented rib and a gold bead on the front. Now, the 30-inch model also has a gold bead in the middle, so you get the dual gold beads. The receiver, low profile stainless steel receiver that everybody loves so much, is still there. It's beautiful and performs well. We actually added in a stainless latch release, which is on the previous model was blued. Stainless steel trigger, blued trigger guard. On top, we've got the automatic safety and barrel selector. Gorgeous American walnut fore-end and buttstock. The length of pull on the Red Label is 14.5 inches, so it's perfect for everyone. Small changes that we made is in the barrels, we used 2-inch forcing cones and we backboard the barrels. Those two things, plus a brand new Pachmayr butt pad, make this gun a much softer shooting, less recoil performer in the field. Now, a subtle change we also made is internally when we were redesigning, we moved the center of gravity back just a bit. Very, very small change with big benefits. What it's going to be is it's going to be a livelier gun in the hand and you're going to have a more instinctual swing, more instinctual shooting than prior models. Now, each one of the Red Labels comes with its own soft-sided case. This is a beautiful custom case that we put together. It's the perfect place to transport your Red Label. Broken down so you've got the stock receiver and barrel fore ends. It's cut out perfectly for them. And it's also the place where you're going to keep all your choke tubes. Each one of the Red Labels comes with 2 skeets already installed, as well as a modified and improved cylinder choke tube. Choke tube wrench is in the package as well as a lock to keep the shotgun safe. This soft-sided case comes with the Ruger Red Label. Now,
innovation. Something that makes us rethink greatness. Something that makes us redefine perfection. And as tradition would have it, Benelli has delivered on this promise once again. The first over-under born not of heritage, but of inspiration and innovation. Benelli's shooter. With 5 drop and 4 cast shims, the 828U can be adjusted to one of 40 possible stock positions. The adjustable stock allows a shooter to find their natural alignment between barrel and target. Benelli's patented progressive comfort system is housed within the 828U walnut stock. This series of interlocking synthetic buffers absorbs recoil at progressive levels depending on the power of the shot shell being fired. A shotgun that feels and shoots like a Benelli from the moment you pick it up to the moment you break it open. From butt to barrel, there's nothing about the 828U that hasn't been rethought and retooled. Benelli's tradition of redefining.
Thanks for watching. Product buying links are given in the video description.